So, traders, hope you guys are prepared for this new month, and not only this new month, but also the new week. And you also are still putting in the work within the last few months of 2025. But this is your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back again with another educational video. And on today's video, as you guys have already said the thumbnail, I'm gonna be just breaking down how we might look to capitalize on Q4 on USD But before we start on the video and before I share this educational content, I ask of you guys to like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And for the most part of the COT Academy has a 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I have my number, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, or any source of communication that I have that you also have, so we can chop it up and so I can come to you for 2 days and change your trading for the good and the better. But without further ado, enough has been said. Let me just share to you guys how we might look to capitalize on USD on Q4. And as you can clearly see that we're going to be using the daily time frame, and our current price structure is looking bullish based on us having to understand that a bullish structure has a bullish behavior. With bullish behavior, we have bullish patterns in most cases. So understanding that we had marked out our highs and marked out our lows, right? So from this is from Q2, right? From Q2, I think, yeah. So these are Q2 lows, right? Q2 highs, and these are still Q2 lows, right? So USD will be based on us having to understand that with our highs marked out and our lows marked out, price had already gave us a break above those very same highs and a break below those very same highs, and the current price is trading above our very same highs, right? So the true nature of USD will be based on having to understand that with a bullish behavior and a bullish structure, all you guys need to focus on is for continuations to the upside. Based on me having to share this to you guys, you can clearly see a higher high and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then we had a push giving us this higher high and a push giving us a higher low. So our current price structure is in a possible continuation of new possible all-time highs. But all I can say to you guys is with this higher high marked out and a higher low formation and a higher low printed out, we're just gonna simply mark out this high to make you guys understand from a higher high and a higher low, price in some way, shape, or form has to give you a higher high only if price breaks above our current higher high, right? So USD will be based on us having to understand that from a push giving us a higher high and a push giving us a higher low, and on our current price push looking to continue bullish. If in some way, shape, or form we're gonna get a break above our current price higher high, then we're gonna look for those continuations to the upside, looking for possible new all-time highs, and that's all we're gonna be focusing on. But if price will give us big candlesticks or big behavior below our very same zone, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, and that's all that we're going to be focusing on. So USD CAD, we're just going to simply wait on a few things. One of the main thing is that our technical is going to align with our fundamentals, because our fundamentals are going to be based on us having to understand that is the dollar going to continue with the bullish strength that it has, so we can look for those possible new all-time highs, or is the Canadian dollar going to step in and take the momentum that the bulls have so price can look to be bearish? We just don't know. So like I say, our technicals have to at least align with our fundamentals. And if it happens that our break above those higher highs comes around, then we're going to anticipate, then we might believe that the dollar has more strength compared to the Canadian dollar. But if not, then we might look for those moves to the downside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on and looking to capitalize on USD CAD within Q4. So as I've shared this, all I ask of you guys is to leave a comment on this video, leave a like on the video, and share this video to someone who can also need to learn what I've just shared and what you've just learned, so it can also push itself, so the algorithm can get up there, so anyone can get access to this video, so the masses can change their trading for the good and the better. But without further ado, this is Boy Harlem, King COT, and I might catch you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.